Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn a conversation between a gardener and a student from Kalam with children for class 5. In this video you will find interview of a student with gardener. The gardener is doing his work, watering plant, cleaning weeds. Then suddenly a student came there and interviewed the gardener. Please have a look of their conversation. Good evening, Uncle.
Good evening, my boy.
I want to grow a small garden at our school along with my friends.
It's a good idea.
Uncle, can I get some useful tips from you to grow a good garden?
With pleasure, my boy.
Where do you get seeds and plants for the garden?
I get them in the market.
What tools do you use in the garden?
I use spade, shovel, watering can extra.
How often should you water the plants?
Once a day in the evening.
How do you make the soil fertile?
By using manure.
Thank you very much for giving me valuable information.
Welcome, my boy.
Now, frame some questions to interview your grandfather or a librarian. I'll help you in making the questions. Interview with grandfather. First one, how are you, grandpa? How is your life going on, grandpa? Have you had a nickname in your childhood, grandpa? Whom you like the most in our family and why? What message you want to give for our generation? Now, let's see the questions for conversation with librarian. Uncle, can I get a comic story book? How do you get these books? How many books are in this library? How do you maintain discipline? Why do we need a library? Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure you subscribe my channel.